I always love the sound of a real AMG in the afternoon. Not quite like an Escalade V, but this is not bad either. But you're here for the interior, so let's get in it. It's a 2018 GLS 63 AMG with 15,000 miles. Not too bad. Let's see how it does. Alright, so this back seat's pretty consistent with other GLSs, GLEs, MLs, GLs of this era. The sides are actually pretty good fit and finish wise, but the center console area is very cheap, not only in build quality but in materials as well. Like, this plastic is just hilariously cheap, really unacceptable for a car like this, but this is the way these were all made at the time, so is what it is. Let's go to the front, see how things are looking there. You spend enough money, you get soft closed doors. Ooh, even my CT6 doesn't have that. Let's get right to it. Oh, that's not good. This is the tab that pulls closed the cup holder thing. It appears to have broken. And now time to do the button test. And now for the final button. Odometer, in case you're curious. All right, how did we do today? Well, guys, I can't say that I'm surprised. I am a little bit surprised, though. The 2015 ML63 I did a couple weeks ago did better than this, fit and finish wise. I can't believe it. And this car is newer and has less miles. Only 15K versus like 80K on that car, or 90K, I forgot what it was. Let me put it to you this way. If I bought this car when it was brand new for $130,000 and I got this kind of fit and finish and squeaks, I would want to fucking kill myself. And a car that costs this much money is inexcusable. Sides of the car, just like in the back seat, like the doors, I mean, they're pretty good. When you get to the dashboard and the center console, that's where you run into trouble. It's all pretty squeaky. These little plastic covers here by the gauges are the worst for sure. The rest of the panels, by the climate vents, by the light controls, and I just mentioned the center console, it's all very bad. Even the overhead console, like the little plastic / metal looking trim piece around everything here, is just so hopelessly squeaky and loud too. I don't know, I just wouldn't feel good about it, but not everybody feels the same way as I do, so I'm gonna give this interior fit and finish score a 4 out of 10. Really, truly bad for this kind of money. As far as materials go, things are looking on the up and up in here. I mentioned that the ML63 I reviewed had full leather everywhere. It was just missing the Alcantara headliner and sun visor. Well, this interior is the same as that material wise. We have actually really good leather on the dash, all parts of the doors, even these lower parts here, The seats, of course, all fantastic, soft, supple leather. When Mercedes and AMG do leather, they actually do a pretty good job. I have to hand them that. And we do have an Alcantara headliner and Alcantara sun visor. Good job on that. Really good choice there. The wood looks nice in this car. Only 15,000 miles on it. It's not cracked yet, so it will eventually, but for right now, we can enjoy it. It's pretty nice wood. And then we don't get any really special switch gear on the AMG other than the paddle shifters, of course, which I think I mentioned in the other car. I can't remember if that one had nicer paddle shifters. Now, that might have been the Escalade that I reviewed, but you get this AMG steering wheel and you get the metal paddle shifters. They're quite heavy feeling. I do like that quite a bit, but the rest of the buttons and whatnot is the same as any other GLS, GLE from this era. You even get blank switches when you step up to this level. So very reminiscent of the base car. So I'm gonna give the material score the same score that I gave the ML63, which was 8 out of 10 for material. So that's what we're doing here. So your guys' final score is 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 8 out of 10 for materials. Quite a difference there. I haven't driven this car on the road yet. I imagine it's not too different from the ML63. It's the same car, but just a little bit newer, a little bit longer. It's got some good sound to it. It's one of the last real V8s out there until everything goes full electric. Enjoy these kinds of cars while they last. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.